हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू टेक्निकल एनोटेशंस। आज हम लोग अनबॉक्स करेंगे Asus का एक गेमिंग लैपटॉप Asus TUF F17 गेमिंग लैपटॉप। ये 2021 का मॉडल है एंड एज यू कैन सी इट्स अ ह्यूज बॉक्स। तो सबसे पहले इस कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स को ओपन करते हैं एंड देन वील फाइंड आवर लैपटॉप इनसाइड। सो हेयर आई हैव ओपन द बॉक्स एंड इस बॉक्स के अंदर एक और बहुत ह्यूज बॉक्स है। ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ 17.3 इंचेस लैपटॉप, तो छोटा बॉक्स तो अपेरेंटली नहीं होगा। कीपिंग दिस aside, here we have our next box. As you can see, Asus F17 TUF गेमिंग लैपटॉप। तो ये बॉक्स काफ़ी अच्छा है विद अ हैंडल एंड इसका जो प्रोसेसर है वो इंटेल कोर का है। साइड में देख सकते हैं हम लोग, यहाँ पर टफ गेमिंग का एक लोगो भी है। सो नाउ लेट्स ओपन दिस बॉक्स। एंड ये बैक साइड से कुछ ऐसा। सो नाउ let's cut this seal and open the box. So finally we have opened the box and the first thing which catches your attention is the laptop. Let me rotate this for you. Okay, so here we have the box and the first thing we see is our laptop. It's a heavy laptop though, 2.6 kgs, and we also find other things inside. So here we have this user manual by TUF Gaming, and there are some more cards. So this is just a simple Asus card with some features written over here like 24-hour online support, link to my Asus, and some random stuff. And here's another booklet type of thing, but it's in a different language, not in English. So this is not of our use. The most useful thing is our user manual. So this is the guide, the user guide. Now, let's see what we find else in the box. So, apart from the laptop and the user guide, we also have this adapter. It is 9 ampere 180 watt adapter and its output is 20 volts and input is 100 to 250 volts. Now, keeping this adapter aside, we also have a cable. So, let me just open it so that we can see its length. So this is the cable and the length is 1 meter. Now, first of all, let's clear this mess so that we can open our laptop. So keeping all this aside, we are going to switch on our laptop and see its functioning. But before that, let's take it out from this packaging. And here we have our 17.3 inches TUF Gaming F17 laptop. So this is our laptop. Let's first have an overview from the back, from the front, and it's in the color Eclipse Grey. Now, first of all, let's look at the edges. On this side, we have one USB port, and looking on the other side, first of all, we have the charging port. Then we have for LAN port. Here HDMI. Then again we have two USB ports, Type C port and 3.5 mm jack. Now, I am going to open this laptop and then switch it on afterwards. So Clearly the packing is really nice. And here we have our laptop. It has a really huge screen with the resolution being 1920 into 1080 pixels. Now let's power on. So apparently I guess the battery is not charged. Talking about its battery, it requires one lithium polymer 4 cells battery, and first of all I'm going to charge the battery and then we will switch on the laptop. So I'm going to charge it. तो अब मैंने इसको चार्जिंग पे लगा दिया है and now let's switch it on. So finally it has switched on and इसकी जो RGB lights हैं वो कलरफुल जलना स्टार्ट हो गई है. And now let the laptop start. So while the laptop is turning on, let's talk about this laptop. It has processor of Intel Core i5 and the processor speed is 4.5 GHz. Processor count is 6. And talking about RAM, it has 16 GB RAM and hard drive size is 512 GB. It also has a graphics card and graphics card RAM size is 4 GB. Now let's select the language. It's English, so it's fine. Let's continue. Also, it supports Windows 10.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
So it's asking for the country, and let's change the country to India from United States. So there we go.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Now here you're required to change
Do you
the
also type
settings.
with another keyboard layout?
Let's skip this for this file.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
So let's connect the laptop with internet and let's find a suitable network. Finding the required network, let's connect this.
Now type your credentials. Mission accomplished. You're all linked up. Now we have some important setup to do.
So by now you can already figure out
Now
how
let's see
smart
what's new from
this
Windows.
laptop is.
Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You can
Let's quickly accept and proceed.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select Accept when you're ready. Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Finally, after a long, tiring process, the laptop is starting. So as you can see clearly, the laptop the desktop has finally appeared, and here we have the first screen with the wallpaper of Tough Gaming. So मैंने अब अपना जो लैपटॉप है वो स्टार्ट कर लिया है. फॉर द लास्ट टाइम पूरे लैपटॉप की एक जो ग्लिम्स है वो देख लेते हैं. तो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द राइट मोस्ट कॉर्नर एंड प्रोसीडिंग टूवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट, ये पूरा लैपटॉप का व्यू है. सो यू कैन क्लियरली सी द माइन्यूट डिटेल्स ऑफ द लैपटॉप. ऑल्सो इसके बेस पर हनीकॉम्ब डिज़ाइन है फॉर बेटर ग्रिप, विच वील सी. Inside this laptop, we have 4 heat pipes and 3 heat sinks which draw heat away from your hardware and dissipate it, so that जो component temperatures है वो optimum level पर रहे. Also, it has crystal clear audio. So, looking at the edges, here we have the charging port, LAN port, HDMI, 2 USB ports, C-type and 3.5 mm. Now moving towards the next side. On the next side, we have this one USB port. So in total, we have 3 USB ports. And we have already discussed that its color is Eclipse Grey. And it also has RGB lights. Now, since I told you that it has honeycomb texture design in this manner, this is for better grip of the laptop, and it also has heat sinks and heat dispensers inside for maintaining an accurate temperature, which is optimum for the device to run properly. It also has graphics card, RTX 3050 Ti 4GB graphics card. Overall, it's a gaming laptop and it can be used for other purposes as well, like gaming, streaming, multimedia, business and similar stuff. Its model number is FX766HE HX054T. To sum it up, this was the Asus gaming laptop, Tough Gaming F17 laptop, 17.3 inches screen, or you can say 43.94 centimeters, with an Intel Core i5 processor 11th generation and a graphics card. So this was a video on the basic information of this gaming laptop, which can be used for different other similar purposes. Hope you liked this review. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, share the video, comment down below your opinion, your views, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.